Hey everyone, and welcome back to Isobe Food. Dragon Boat Festival just passed, and my wife and I spent the day preparing Zongzi. With Chinese origins, Zongzi is a savory or sweet, sticky rice dumpling traditionally prepared on the day and eaten in celebration. It's packed with little treasures like pieces of stewed pork butt, salted duck egg yolks, soft peanuts, chestnuts. The list goes on, and varies from region to region in Taiwan, Indonesia, and many other countries. These packages are literal umami bombs wrapped in bamboo leaves, and we're making them here, today, on Isobe Food. Let's get started. Soak dried bamboo leaves in water overnight. Also soak glutinous rice in enough water to cover by a few inches for a minimum of 4 hours or overnight. The next day, soak peanuts in boiling water for 1 hour to soften. Cut up pork butt into bite-sized cubes. Add the pork to a medium saucepan along with green onions, garlic, and star anise. Cover with Coca-Cola, soy sauce, and a dash of rice wine. Bring to the boil over high heat. Once to the boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 1.5 to 2 hours until the meat is tender but not yet falling apart. Remove the tough stem of rehydrated dried shiitake mushrooms and cut into large chunks. Heat a medium saucepan over high heat and add in some vegetable oil. Saute the mushrooms for 7 minutes until they've given up their liquid. Add in dried baby shrimp along with dark soy sauce and mix to combine. Remove from the heat and set aside until needed. Set up a station with bowls of stewed pork butt, shrimp and mushrooms, the drained peanuts, salted duck egg yolks, and cooked chestnuts. Place 2 leaves with the smooth side facing up on top of each other. Trim the hard stem end off of each leaf. Brush the top leaf lightly with vegetable oil and then arrange the leaves top to bottom and end to end so that you have a uniform thickness. Hold both sides at about the 1/3 and 2/3 length marks and bring the ends together on the top side to create a conical V shape. Press in with your finger just right of the center to create a pleat. Continue to bring in the 2 ends together until they overlap. Smooth out the pleat on the underside and adjust as needed, making sure the size of the fold is minimal. Place a layer of rice into the cup and spread it out into an even layer. Add in pieces of pork, mushrooms and shrimp, duck egg yolks, chestnuts, and peanuts. Add a top layer of rice, smooth over, and press it down to make it compact. Fold over the top strands of the bamboo leaves. Tuck in the sides of the base and fold over the top sides of the leaves. Pinch the top and lay the entire package top side down using gravity to keep the package closed and compact. Continue to wrap the leaves under, keeping the triangular shape of the Zongzi. Tightly tie cotton twine around the Zongzi, making multiple loops over the folds of the leaves. Secure with a knot by wrapping a few times and pulling tightly. Continue the wrapping process until you have 25 to 35 Zongzi. To cook, boil them in water on a low simmer for 2 hours. So there you have it, folks, Zongzi. I've been eating these bad boys for years, but I have to say, making your own at home is definitely the way to go. These things are textural heaven with sticky, crunchy, chewy umami bites one after the other. It's a lot of prep and wrapping them is hard, but the payoff is huge. Spend quality time with family and friends making these in honor of Dragon Boat Festival. You're sure to make great memories on a yearly basis, all while enjoying the spoils of your hard work in the end. That does it for me. Be sure to come back next time to Isobe Food, where you get what you need to succeed in the kitchen. I'm your host, Jamie. I'll catch you next time.